shock of shocks. We're actually going to get 2 readings in today. No idea how long the second one will be. We're going to start with the, let's see, Yoyaku, which is the summary of Mountaineer. Maybe we'll get to vocab, maybe we won't. TBD. Alright. So, let's see. 登山家は山で元気に暮らしています。The mountaineer was happy living on the mountain? Maybe? The mountaineer lives a very healthy life in the mountains. とても元気なので病院に行ってことがありません。Then, he has never gone to the hospital. Oh, he's never gone to the hospital because he is very healthy. Right, because genkina. Okay. Hiro ni kinoko o tori ni ikimashita. Something about the mushrooms. One afternoon, he went to pick mushrooms in the mountains. Let's see where it says mountains, but okay. その夜、登山家は初めて電話で救急車を呼びました。That day, maybe? The mountaineer, it's not day. I'm not sure. The mountaineer... One afternoon, he went to pick mushrooms in the mountains. That night, he got sick and called an ambulance for the first time. 医者は登山家の目が悪医者は登山家の目が悪くなっていると言いました。I'm not sure. At the hospital, the doctor told him that his eyes were becoming weak. それから登山家は毎年健康診断を受けます。From then on, the mountaineer went to the hospital every year. Since then, the mountaineer goes to the hospital and receives a checkup every year. All right. So, vocab list. We're still doing okay. All right. Tozanga is mountaineer. Yama is mountain. Koya is hut. Kurasu is to live. Kenko tekina. It's 3 different words. Okay. Kenko tekina is healthy. Yama wo noboru. Yama wo noboru. To climb a mountain. Sodateru, to grow. Yasai is a vegetable. Boku oh gosh. 病気になる is to get sick. 昼に is in the afternoon. 取る is to pick. キノコ. I still don't understand how katakana kinoko is mushroom. はじめて for the first time. はじめまして. Got it. 救急車 ambulance 救急車 okay cute 医者 is doctor 危険 is dangerous 目が悪くなる is your eyes become weak 毎年 every year 健康診断 is your health checkup. All right, that's gonna be it for this evening. I'll be back tomorrow. Ciao.